Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today we have this cute bob lace front wig. I'm going to show you how I got this look. It's from KlaiyiHair, and make sure you stay tuned. So here is the wig after I customized it. I just bleached the knots a little bit and then did some plucking, and this is how the hairline is looking. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut off this lace. We're gonna use Got to Be glue to lay this. So we got this laid and we're gonna let it melt. So as you can see, the hair is still in a really good condition, just being air dried. So all I'm gonna do is just straighten it a little bit more while I let this lace melt. So here you will see I have a little bit of extra glue around the hairline because it was hard for me to actually lay this wig down with my hairline because it's more boxy and my hairline is just more round. So I'm going to use the mousse to do my baby hairs. It's going to help get rid of that white contrast as well. You just want to use a little bit so it doesn't lift up your lace. I'm loving this bob. The length is perfect. The hair is A1. It's super soft. I didn't have any problems with shedding or anything. And this hairline is slayed, sis, you know what I'm saying? I really love all the parting space that we have. It's free part, so you can part it however you want. Switch up your looks, you know, just make yourself look like a different, you know, chick every day. Why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. To my next video. Peace.